Rainbow Rhymes Kids TV. Let's learn about colors. Red like apples, juicy and sweet. Orange like sunsets, what a treat. Yellow like sunshine, shine so bright. Green like grass, fresh and light. The sky and the deep white sea. Purple like flowers, so lovely to see. Pink like candy, soft and fun. Rainbow colors, everyone. Yay, you learned all the colors. Don't forget to like and subscribe.